Now, as we have seen the menus, now we will move a step ahead and design the home page of our website. Now, how a home page will look like. This is just an example of a home page. We can create a home page similar to this particular part. I will be showing how to create the home page for any of the website. So let's move ahead and talk about the practical part. This always I'm telling this is just a simple example. So step number 1, I will navigate through and I require to give a name to this particular website. So I will be writing computer, or I will be writing it as ICT. A very simple thing, I'm giving the name. Over here, I will be writing about computer department. That means this particular website we are creating specially for computer department of our school. Now, if you are able to see, this is the image that is already present by default image. As I change, the image will definitely change. There are certain themes. Change the themes over there and you will be able to see at the background, the image will definitely change. If you want to make your own, or if you want to replace this particular image, so here is the option upload or select image. When you select image, this is the by default gallery from where we are able to select any of the images of our choice. Then by URL, over here we require to type the entire URL. Then it is search, over here Google search. Then it is your album. Definitely this is the images that we are having in our Google Drive. And then recent, it will be again your folders that are present in your Google Drive. So I'm cancelling this. I will be changing an image, and I have shown you uploading. I have shown you this particular part, that is select an image. Now I will be showing you upload image. For uploading image, care has to be taken that there should be certain screenshots. I have already taken the screenshot of our school and I have kept it on the desktop. So I will be making use of our school building. So as you are able to see over here, the school building automatically comes over there. Now talking about the formatting. Here it is title, change it to heading. You will be able to see that the font size slightly changes over there. Heading, subheading, and then small. You will be able to see that the text is changing. Generally, we keep it as title. Now, whatever font you require to give, we can give the font from here. Then the sizes of here. So select the font, change the size if you want. Make it bold, italics, underline. And this is the text color. Whatever color you require to give, yes, you are able to give that particular color to the text also. Done. Now I will be just removing this particular part. Now, a very simple part we have created over here. We have choose a backdrop image and we have changed the content over there. That is, we have written computer department. Now I will be going under insert and I'll be inserting a text box. You are able to see that I have inserted a text box over here. This website will be dealing or will contain the information about computer subject from grade 1 to 10. Again, if you want to center align it, you can center align it over here. If you want different informations to give, you are able to give different informations to it. Normal text, heading, whatever information. And over here, you are able to see the style 1, style 2, style 3, as well as you are able to insert an image also. So if I give style 3, you are able to see this particular part over here. Change the theme. Automatically, you will be able to see over here when we click on the theme, there are different colors over there. We can select any of the color. And from here, select the colors. Done. So it was simple. I'll directly come to simple over there. You are able to see that whatever themes you are selecting, your color will also be highlighted over there. Green, you are able to see. Now, this was our first web page, my dear kids. I have shown you how to change the colors. That means come to simple again, make use of any of the color. Whichever color you want, we'll make use of the same color now. Now moving ahead little bit and talking about again insert menu, now layouts or image. If you want to click an image, you can upload the image, but care has to be taken that there should be certain image present. Now what I will do, I will insert an image over here. Done. Again the same thing. The website contain syllabus, PPT, worksheets for all the grades. If you want to add a subtext, please navigate through the website in order to have the related information. Done. And if you want to insert any images, you are able to insert the images. I will be selecting an image and I will be just giving over here computer labs. Now let's say computer labs. No. Google Images. Sorry, I was searching in Google Drive. Now I'll be searching in Google Images. I'm typing computer labs. Now let's see whether computer labs. Yes, I'm able to see over here. I will be selecting any one of the image and you will be able to see an insert button. Now, if you want to insert more text, please see to it that I'm selecting this particular part, and when I click on the text section just enter below this particular text section which we have already inserted. Now if I require another text section to be included, then select the next part and then include it over there, or else you can just drag it at the top and select the text and here comes the text box. Done. And if you want to insert the images, yes, you are able to insert the images. Again, I'll try to insert one of the images. You are able to see over here. If you want to give a link, yes, you can give a link to this particular image also. And if you want center align, you can center it align from here. If you want to center align it over here, yes, you are able to center it align the text also. Again, for the theme part, style 3. If you want style 3, you are able to see that this looks very consistent now. Now this was about creating a home pages. Now in the next section, we will be studying as how to insert the pages and sub pages.